In 2012, a hit-and-run accident changed everything for Charu Khandal, a talented animator who brought Shah Rukh Khan's Ra.One to life with her national award-winning VFX work. Just hours after celebrating her victory with sister Ritu and friend Vikrant Goyal, a speeding car crashed into their auto rickshaw in Mumbai's Oshiwara. Charu was left paralyzed from the neck down, fighting for normalcy until her tragic death in 2017. Now, nearly 8 years after her family's claim, the Bombay High Court has upheld a 62.2 lakh rupees compensation. Justices Girish Kulkarni and Advait Setna called it fair and reasonable, dismissing Cholamandalam MS General Insurance's appeal. The insurer argued Charu's death wasn't linked to the accident and questioned her medical records, but the court ruled her quadriplegia complications costing her family rupees 18 to 20 lakh in care were undeniable. Shah Rukh Khan himself visited Charu at Kokilaben Hospital, offering hope and support. Despite her condition, Charu fought back using assistive tech to regain her voice and work with help from scientist Professor Prabhat Ranjan. Her personal life suffered too. Her partner Sagar Thakkar carried the pain of not being there that night. Yet Charu's spirit shone through her struggle. The court called this a heart-wrenching saga, stressing that while no money can replace a life, fair compensation is justice. For Charu Khandal's family, this 62.2 lakh rupees ruling brings closure to a tragic chapter. What do you think about this ruling? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to like and subscribe to Salar Digital for more stories of resilience and justice.